Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute sound for status notifications on WhatsApp Web right from your PC. If you often use WhatsApp on your computer and get distracted by those little notification sounds whenever someone posts a status, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off completely in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by heading to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and scanning the QR code using your phone's WhatsApp app if you haven't already logged in. Once you're inside, you'll see your chat list on the left-hand side just like on your phone. Now, look to the far left side of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Give it a click. This will open a list of options where you can manage your account preferences and app behavior. Next, choose notifications from the menu. This is where you can control all the different sounds and alerts that come from WhatsApp Web. You'll see options for message alerts, group notifications, and of course, the one we're focusing on today, status updates. Click on status. This will take you to the section specifically for managing how WhatsApp notifies you when your contacts update their status. You'll find a toggle or checkbox next to play sound. By default, it's usually turned on, meaning you'll hear that ping every time someone adds something new to their status. To mute it, simply disable play sound. Once you do that, WhatsApp will stop playing any sound when someone updates their status, keeping your workspace or study environment peaceful and distraction free. And that's it. You've successfully muted status notification sounds on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a huge difference, especially if you're logged in for long periods during work or classes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might appreciate a quieter WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching.